Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports on Dolphin Emulator. First, download the latest Dolphin Emulator from its official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Next, acquire a legitimate Wii Sports game ISO file. Finally, configure your controller settings within Dolphin to ensure optimal gameplay and a great start to your virtual sports journey. Optimizing your graphics and audio settings is key for an immersive experience. Adjust the internal resolution to enhance visual quality, often up to 4 times the original. Choose a suitable backend like Vulkan or OpenGL for efficient rendering. Enable VSync to prevent screen tearing, ensuring smooth visuals. Finally, configure your audio settings for clear, synchronized sound, making every strike and cheer perfectly audible. Setting up your controller correctly is crucial for enjoying Wii Sports. Map your physical controller buttons to the virtual Wii remote, ensuring every action feels natural. If your gamepad supports it, calibrate motion controls for games like bowling or tennis. Experiment with different sensitivity settings to achieve precise movements. Remember to save your controller profile for quick access, making future gaming sessions effortless. With everything configured, you are ready to launch your game. Load the Wii Sports ISO file directly from the Dolphin menu. Once loaded, start the game and navigate through the in-game menus to select your preferred sport. Enjoy playing all 5 classic Wii Sports games, from bowling to boxing. If you encounter any issues, check online forums for troubleshooting tips to ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.